Hi everyone, this is Suresh from automationelearn.com. In this video, we are going to learn how to download and install Eclipse IDE on Mac and Windows system. So guys, this is my blog automationelearn.com. You can visit and explore many other topics related to automation concepts and automation testing. Let's move ahead with the agenda of this video. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open a new tab, navigate to google.com, and I'm gonna type Eclipse download. Here I'm going to click on the first link that belongs to Eclipse official website. That will take you on the downloads page. The latest version of Eclipse IDE is Simrail 2018. By the time you are watching this video, it's quite possible that you are seeing any other version, so feel free to download the latest one as long as it is fulfilling your need. Here what I am going to do is click on the download packages. So basically one version of IDE has different packages for different purposes. For example, here you can see we have Eclipse IDE for C and C++ developer, few are for Java, and here the Eclipse IDE for JavaScript and other web developers. So for the different purpose we have different packages. Among all the packages, we are going to install Eclipse IDE for Java developers because it has all the required plugins that will give you a good start with the development. Like we have Java IDE where you will write your code. We have XML editor. We would require this feature while dealing with the test ng where we need to edit the XML files, and it also has a Maven to build your code. If you really need some advanced features, then you can go ahead and install Enterprise Edition Developers version. For now, I'm going to install IDE for Java developers. Here we have download links at the right hand side for each platform like Windows, Mac and the Linux. So currently I am on my Mac. I'm going to click on the 64-bit link. Moreover, if you want to download some other version of Eclipse IDE, then you can refer more download section and install the required version. Let's click on Mac 64-bit links to download Eclipse IDE for Mac. We will jump into mirror page where we can select the appropriate mirror to download the Eclipse IDE. Here one mirror is selected by default, so let's move ahead with the default option and click on download link. As soon as I click on download link, downloading will get start. I'm going to cancel this one because I already have downloaded the same package. Let's open the Finder and see the downloaded package. This is the Eclipse IDE for Java developer that we have downloaded just now. It has extension .dmg because I am on my Mac. If you have downloaded the Windows version, then you will see maybe zip file or .exe. Here what we can do is we can double click on this DMG file. To extract the file in Mac, what we do is we can double click on the file and it will get extracted. Here we have Eclipse icons. We can drag this icon and drop into the application folder to install. This is the way how we install any application into Mac. It is copying all the files from Eclipse icon to application folder. Installation is done. If you are installing on Windows, then you will get eclipse.exe. For Windows, you don't need to install anything. What you can do is double click on the exe, that is eclipse.exe file, and your Eclipse will be ready to use. Let's verify the installation. Close this window, go to application, and here we should see Eclipse. And here we have Eclipse that we have just installed. Let's double click on the Eclipse. This is the security warning that I am getting because I am on my Mac. You might not see this pop up if you are on Windows. Let's click on open. and Eclipse is getting started. This is the Eclipse Launcher where we need to provide workspace location in your system. By default, it is selected users Suresh Dubey and Eclipse Workspace folder as a workspace. So basically IDE uses workspace directory to store all the development artifacts. So whatever project you will create, it will be saved into this location. If you want to change the workspace location, you can browse the appropriate folder as per your convenience and click on launch button to launch the Eclipse. This warning I am getting because the selected workspace that I have already used for the older version of Eclipse, so it is showing me the warning. Okay, I am fine with this warning and click on continue. If you are installing Eclipse first time, then you will not see this pop-up. Click on continue. Eclipse is loading the workbench. This is welcome page. You can refer all these links to explore more about Eclipse IDE and Java project and many other things. For now, I'm going to click on the cross button to close this welcome window. And this is the first view of your Eclipse IDE editor. Here we already have one project that is being shown, that is coming from my workspace that I have chosen while starting the Eclipse. If you are installing Eclipse first time, then you will not see any project under Package Explorer. You have to create a project. It has many menus for different purposes and have many other options that you can go and explore one by one. We will talk about all these things in a detail in a future lecture. This is all about this video. In the next lecture, we are going to see how to create our first Java project. We will explore structured layer diagram in a detail. So guys, thank you for running this one. See you in the next lecture. If you like this video, you can subscribe to my channel and you can share it with your friends. Thank you for running this one. Thanks.